Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 DNS server unavailable and DNS server may be unavailable error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, the first method is that first of all in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After doing this chat, first of all type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset. After doing this test, type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After doing this test, type a command is ipconfig space / release. After doing this test, type a command is ipconfig space / renew. After doing this test, type a command is ipconfig space / DNS. After doing this test, type exit and exit the command prompt. After doing this test, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, type a control panel. Open a control panel. Click on network and internet. Go to your network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. Select the internet adapter which you use to connect your internet. So in my case is Ethernet. Right click, go to your properties, select the internet protocol version 4, click on properties, and make sure that you can use a DNS server. Is if you're not using, then select use the following DNS addresses: 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. I have already used it. Click on OK button, close it and close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this test your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.